Plan ahead and prepare. When you're poorly prepared, you're more likely to run into problems. Lack of good research can lead to situations where you can become fatigued or fearful, and you may be forced to make poor choices. Travel and camp on durable surfaces. When exploring your surroundings and setting up your picnic or overnight camp, seek out resilient types of terrain. Ideal durable surfaces include established trails and campsites, rock, gravel, dry grasses, or snow. Dispose of waste properly. This principle applies to everything from litter to human waste to rinse water. Minimize campfire impacts. While campfires are a timeless camping ritual, they can also be one of the most destructive ones. Far better choices include a lightweight stove for cooking and a candle lantern for light. Stargazing is an excellent alternative, and it is the best enjoyed when your campsite is in total darkness. Leave what you find. Take only pictures, leave only footprints. Still holds, although leaving fewer footprints is even better. Respect wildlife. Don't approach animals. Both you and the wildlife will enjoy encounters more if you master the zoom lens on your camera and pack along a pair of binoculars. Be considerate of other visitors. Treat others the way you would like to be treated is a rule that applies in the outdoors too.